What's up? I am very excited. It's sunny today, which is so nice. It's been rainy since I got home. I was in Dallas at a conference, a church conference, over the New Year, and then I got home on the 2nd, and it's been raining since, so that's only 2 days, but it's so nice when it's sunny and I'm working down here because I just feel so light and so inspired. So I also got new shoes that I'm excited about. They're a Birkenstock, but with, I don't know if you can even see this right now, but with a back strap. They've got one for the heel, which is so nice. I'm currently trying to break them in because I haven't gotten new Birkenstocks since literally 8th grade, and I forgot what it feels like to walk on the cork when it's not broken in. So I'm trying to wear those and like stomp and really hard and break it in. But yeah, I'm gonna throw. Breedy's barking. Anyway, I'm gonna throw some mugs and some plates and platter stuff. I've got some new Cricut, like not mold, but some cutout stuff I'm gonna try to lay over and then experiment with glazing. I'm sorry, Brady is still barking. But yeah, so we're gonna do that. I don't have a ton of time today. I kind of was a little lazy and didn't really start until later in the day on some work, but that's okay. Not really. Kinda. But yes, let's do it. I've got my clay. I'm about to start throwing with. I'm hoping my clay feels a little hard because I was gone like all last week. But it should be okay. We'll see. But otherwise, I'm trying to think of anything else that's new. We did have our candlelit dinner, and then I cleaned the studio after that, and it was so nice to clean. Oh my gosh. And it just, I mean, I have like sewing stuff out right now, but I was sewing that for a friend. But otherwise, it's so like, just so clean and swept up, like there's not crap all over the floor, and like, oh, it's just so nice. I love it. I love clean. It is so exciting. This is one of the parts that I don't like very much. Reclaim clay. This is clay that has been trimmed off of pieces that I've made, and then it just accumulates over time, and then you soak it and you can reuse it, which I love reusing. Like, that's so nice. I love that aspect, but it is gross. And there, I just pulled out a hair. I just felt a hair. There it is. And I lose a lot of hair, so my hair will just make it into these. There's one right there. Yeah. That is not what you want.
Okay, I'm just gonna sit on that side. Do you use like this gun tool? If you put that under it, then do you cut the sides?
Yeah. So I pretty much do this. I pick it up. Roll. Around the edges. And then I cut.
I still think you're doing good.
Thanks. Thank you. What's up? My cousin Granger just got home and they were at racetrack, but they got what'd you get? Slushy? But I'm making plates right now and they got home. So are you helping?
Yeah.
Kind of. But yeah. So then you take off this really gently. Kind of ruined the sides a little bit. Oh, dang it. It's too thin. Okay, what we're gonna do is just cut it. See how it's too thin right here?
Yeah, I do.
I made it too thin, so.
Oopsie daisies. Oh, you have a cutting tool?
Yeah.
That's cool.
We'll just take that part off and we'll make it a plate, a palette.
What are you going to draw on it?
I'll use it for people can use it for charcuterie, like chips and cheese.
What's the hole for?
A little ribbon to go in it.
Sewing machine? Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Boom. Soph just got here, so I'm gonna go help her get the wheel. She got a wheel, by the way.
Okay.
Part 2. Remember, we just did this, I felt like.
I know, literally. But for now,
Look at her shine.
she's just gonna shine like stars.
Here, I'm trying to put the tripod on. 1 second, please.
I brought the world's best Trader Joe's.
Cookie butter? I've never had that.
Oh, we're trying it.
Okay.
It is so good.
What do you put with it?
I do apples, but you can also do like
Ooh,
crackers.
I
and
love
bananas.
apples.
All right.
Oh, it's cute.
Isn't she?
Oh,
she
it
does
have
come with stuff.
It does come with things.
Okay, so we have another
Oh, good, the wheels.
apron.
You can lift up the legs. You don't have to do the dumb paint. ones.
Yeah.
Yay, another apron. Building up our stock. That it comes with to lift up the legs.
I don't see any tools in here. Oh wait. Oh yeah. Oh, these ones are. I love these.
I know, they're so nice.
But
there's
there's
no tool to do this thing. With a little tool that it didn't come with a tool that it has these little bolts that you can open up or like unscrew, and they're just too tight to do with our fingers. That you can lift the legs like those ones are. Hey, Brady.
I refuse to.
Hi, buddy. So I know, isn't that dumb? It didn't come with them, but yeah, see how like the bolts are holding the legs up? But so we're just gonna use these paint cans for now. That'll work until we find a tool. She's kind of mad.
Just a little bit.
Oh yeah, I forget it's only 2. Don't need 4. Oh, that's not that bad.
Yeah.
Just looks really weird with the paint cans.
It's gonna.
Wow, look how clean that is.
Oh wow.
Whoa. That was so cool.
I feel like I'm in yoga class.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Wait, these ones don't do that.
Wait. They do that. Wait, that one's gonna be... Okay, wait. Do yours.
That one doesn't do it.
That one's probably... only these two really do it.
Hitting our heels.
Hit it with... That one goes for a long time. That beautiful view.
It almost doesn't match.
I know. We need to break it in. What's up? I am currently loading the kiln with some, mainly just plates and a few mugs. I don't know. I haven't done this many... Well, no, I have. I haven't done this many big plates in a kiln loading yet. So I'm seeing how much I can get in here. But, because I need more shelves. I didn't get enough with this kiln. I only have like 4 levels, I think, that I can go up. And I could probably do 5 or 6, depending on what I'm putting in here. But, yeah, so these are some of the plates. Some of them are smaller, like that. But then most of them are that really big one right there. So there's some more over here. This one, I ended up, the lip broke off because I did it too thin, so I just cut it and put a hole in it, and I'll put like a little leather strap, and it'll be a little serving board. And then there's some of these guys. The shadow's in the way, sorry. There's some of these, which I really like. I think these are great. And then some of these mugs. So, yes. I'm gonna see how much we can get in here. We will see. I'm gonna put you on a tripod. Oh, wait. I always forget. You want to put these in first. I've done this enough times. You think I remember. Hello. Thanks for watching this video, this vlog. I really don't remember anything that happened. Hey, Brady. Here's my dog. Hey, let me pick you up. This is Brady. My dog. Hey. Anyway, thanks for watching this week's vlog. I really don't remember anything that happened in it. Hey, dude. Because I'm about to edit it, and I have not filmed in like 2 weeks. So, one, sorry for the video being so late. Also, hey, what? I'm trying to talk to my friends. You're being kind of interrupting right now. Where's your ball? Go get your ball. Go get your ball. Anyway, enjoy your week. I hope it's awesome wherever you're watching this. Hope you just have an awesome week. Thanks for tuning in to what I did. I'm gonna say bye now. Anyway, thanks for. I'm gonna go throw his ball. But thanks for watching this video. As always, see you at the next one. Peace out.